I'm going to teach you how to include an image to your HTML. You can use image tag like this. Then provide a source, then equal to double quote or single quote. Then you need to have an image. So far we don't have an image, so let's grab some image. You can just go to the unsplash.com. Let's say I want to have this image. Right click, copy image address, and paste, and save. You have that image. This is image from online. But what about offline image, which is stored in your local system? So let's save another picture like this one. Save image as then let me rename the photo. Let's say building. Let's comment first the first image using the online. Then let's do image src. Then let's grab the building. And it is important for you to know the type of image. And we have here JPEG. So the building image loaded. And in case the image has a problem as failed to load, you can provide an default alternative text using alt. You can say building image. And for now, you can't see the alt because the image loads successfully. But what if something goes wrong? Let's say the image has a spelling error like this. Then you can see the alt, which is the building image. Now let's talk about the GIF. GIF is also a type of image. Let's say let's grab a Pikachu GIF first. We can also use copy image address like we did earlier and say and image can be a self-closing tag. You can put the slash here, provide the source which is Pikachu, and let's save and let's see. And here's the Pikachu image GIF. What about the iframe? How about you need to include video clips in your website? Like for example, a clip from YouTube. You can go to youtube.com. For example, this house of highlights.
When there's a world of options at my fingertips, there are no limits to create a story for every.
You can click the share.
Basement of the Atlantic for most of the year, although they
embed and grab this iframe and paste it here. This allows the video to load in the HTML using the iframe tag. And here's the YouTube video, the highlights of Kobe Bryant. You can play it here.
Basement of the Atlantic for most of.
And here's another property you can put inside your image tag. You can do width equal to, for example, 200 pixel. The building is now 200 pixel in width, and you can also put the height. For example, 300 pixel. Or 200 pixel. Now the picture is pixelated. Normally, you will have to write at least one of either width or height, like this. Let's also add the width and height property in Pikachu GIF. And it's 100 pixel now. See? Image tags using using different images and iframe is very easy to accomplish. You can use online images or files or your file stored in your local machine. And this wraps up our video in image and iframes.